Here's a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled, a great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: ultrasonic park assist, refrigerated box located in the console, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Ecotec 3 engine, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, entertainment system with Blu-ray, hands-free liftgate, 4-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.